Hi friends, it's Caroline from the Ambassador team. If you're in a creative mood today, you've come to the right place. I'm going to show you how to make this vintage-inspired vellum cluster, so join me with your favorite drink and watch this step-by-step tutorial. For supplies, you'll need some vellum paper, some scissors, some glue, some frames, and stickers of your choice. For this particular tutorial, I'm providing you with a free printable that you can grab over at the blog site. The first step is to cut the frames. Feel free to use any frames that you'd like, but this one in particular have a nice little designs that I'm cutting into. I think all of the details give a nice touch, and I'm going to be using 2 of them. Once your frames are ready, it's time to glue them into the vellum paper. I went with the vellum paper from the December sub box because it has a beautiful pattern. I chose the white and the pink one for this project. Once the glue is dry, go ahead and cut around the frame so you end up with 2 pieces of framed vellum. Next, it's time to start your collage. I'm going to be layering both of the frames as a base, and from there I'm choosing my favorite stickers to go on top. I'm doing the stickers from the December sub box, and I want all of the rest of the stickers to match well with this one so I can stick to one color palette. If you don't have stickers that match, you can always use the blank ones to add the color in later. Continue layering your stickers and spreading them throughout until you're happy with your design. Here I'm coloring my stickers with this light blue and pink calligraphs. Once you're finished with your cluster, it's time to give it a home. You can use it on greeting cards, pen pal letters, thank you or love notes, and my favorite way to use it is as a monthly cover page in my bullet journal. I hope you enjoyed. If you give it a try, don't forget to show us and tag Archer and Olive. I'll see you on the next one.